Hi everyone, my name is Olivia DeLeo, and I am in Computers and Business 2100 this semester. The data I have provided exemplifies my Biz Cafe results regarding my coffee company, Cafe 15. This unique assignment was a great testament of how to run a business and record data for it as well. Using Tableau, we were able to learn about different types of graphs and construct them. My first sheet, Net income versus revenue, as you can see by the title, shows the weekly incline of my results for my cafe. The orange line is the revenue and the blue line is the net income. And you can see when you click, it goes from week 3 to week 4 to week 5 to week 6. And the same thing for the blue line, week 3 to week 5, 7, 8. And it keeps increasing. Sheet 2 shows a bar graph representing the revenue of my cups sold per week. As you can see, my revenue has increased from over 670 cups. So here we see 670 cups at week 1, 670 cups sold, and then at week 12, week 10, week 11, week 12 all the way up here, we see 4,574 cups sold. So the blue bars are the cups sold, and then the orange line is the week. Sheet 3 represents my sales versus my competitors. I chose my classmates' companies in order to compare to mine. By doing this, I was able to see how my graph did compared to others. So my line is highlighted in red and the rest are in gray. And over here you could see the competitors I chose. So I'm Cafe 15 in 16th place. The Coffee Cup is in 8th place. The Grind is in 1st place. The Hideout is in 4th place. And the Nook is in 13th place. And although my cafe is under the Nook, our revenue is higher, as you can see, because our line is above theirs. So my revenue is $84,654 and their revenue is $73,715. And finally, as you can see, this is my dashboard compiling all of my visuals and data. So here we have the competitor sales, here we have the revenue versus cups sold, and here we have the net income versus revenue. Overall, my group and I worked well together in running our business, even though there were many hardships involved. This Tableau project helped me realize our successes along with helping me reflect on my experience. Some insights I found while learning and working with Tableau is how easy it is to click between sheets and view the graphs. I also thought that everything was organized well, making it more clear for me to navigate through. I also enjoyed how at the end everything was shown on my dashboard, as you can see here. I enjoyed working with Tableau to display all of my data and information. I hope you enjoyed watching my project as well. Thank you.